fear, there's desire, there's this duality, there's lightness and darkness, all of these things that dance does really well, showing, with movement. And there's these great archetypal characters that all have their own language throughout the show. Ballet has, all the great ballets, Swan Lake, Giselle, Les Sylphides have these otherworldly characters. I have vampire brides that get to, dance their way through the show. So it's meant to be all the things. It's meant to be a psychological drama. It's meant to be campy and fun. And New Orleans has been a huge inspiration for me, making both Romeo and Juliet and Dracula. It's a city that inhabits everything, right. And it's inspiring to me as an artist.
And fully embraces art and artists.
Yes, yeah.
So I would imagine it's been a lot of fun, a lot of hard work. You're telling me commercial break, you're ready for this to hit the stage. You're ready for it.
To have the baby.
To have the baby is how you put it. You're ready for labor.
Yes. I've been thinking about this for a year, so it's it's a lot to think about Dracula, the Prince of Darkness for a year, but trying to find the light in it.